Okay, so let's do a little burn test on these O-ring gaskets. And we'll start with the Supertech first, see if they're silicone or nitro rubber. It's burning pretty good. Black smoke. Oh yeah, it's burning real good. That's definitely nitro rubber. Okay, now on this Toyota made in Thailand oil filter gasket, let's see, O-ring gasket. Let's see if this one is nitro rubber or silicone. It's not burning as easy. Now it's starting to burn. Oh yeah, it's nitro rubber. Okay, they're both nitro rubber. Thanks for watching the video.